The Upper West Side, when I was growing up, I mean, I was born in 1962, and when I was in elementary school, on the Upper West Side, I mean, most of the white kids were Jewish. So, but the school, we were, I'd say about half or less of the kids in my elementary school were white. There were a lot of African American kids and a lot of Puerto Rican kids. The immigrants in that period were all from Puerto Rico. I grew up in this certain kind of milieu where I learned about our roots in that sort of Russian East European tradition. And it really was not based at all in religion or in a commitment to Israel. My PhD is in Russian history. I did a minor field in modern Jewish history. So that's where my interests lie, and that's what I want to pass on to my kids, that kind of historical connection and that cultural connection, which I find, as we all know, less. The kids in the temple and in Sunday school and so forth learn about the religious connection and the Israel connection, and not about the whole Russian and East European culture and history, Jewish culture and history.